In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for event management. This platform is an incredibly powerful tool for organizing and tracking all aspects of your event, from tasks and timelines to managing attendees. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, you'll want to access your dashboard. Begin by logging in to your Monday.com account. This will take you to your main dashboard where you'll have a clear view of all your projects and boards. Next, we're going to open the Creation menu. Look to the left-hand sidebar of your screen. There, you'll see a plus icon shown as a simple plus. Click on that icon to open up the creation options available to you. Once you've done that, navigate to Boards. Simply hover your mouse over the board option in the menu that appears. This will help you move forward in creating a new board specifically for your event management. Now it's time to enter the Template Center. You'll want to select the option that says Start with a Template. This action will open a gallery filled with pre-designed structures that can help streamline your event planning process. To find the perfect template for your needs, you'll want to search for the template specifically designed for event management. In the search bar at the top of the Template Center, simply type Event Management. This search will filter the templates and help you find the one that fits your requirements. Once the results populate, look for the Event Management template and select it. When you click on it, you'll be able to preview the layout. Take a moment to review the template overview, which showcases how the template tracks tasks, manages attendees, and organizes timelines. This is particularly important as you want to ensure it aligns with your event goals. After you've reviewed it, go ahead and click the Use Template button. This will add it directly to your workspace, allowing you to start customizing it for your upcoming event. Finally, it's time to customize your board. Once the board is generated, begin by adding your specific event tasks. You can break down each part of your event planning process into actionable items. Assign tasks to your team members to ensure everyone knows their responsibilities, and set deadlines to keep everything on track. By following these steps, you've successfully utilized Monday.com for event management. You now have a tailored board that's ready for organized planning, collaboration, and execution of your event. Remember that the more you customize and utilize the tools available, the more efficient your management will be. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find these tips helpful as you navigate your event planning journey with Monday.com.